So how are you all? So let's crack another sum which is very interesting, and here we have to find out the value of x. Okay, this is a sum based on exponents. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. Okay, and we have x already there outside. 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, and this is upon 3x. all right, so let's multiply this. Okay, we have this rule that a to the power m, and outside if there is n, we can write them together as a to the power mn. 3 to the power 3x equals to 3 to the power 2 minus x. Another rule, a to the power m upon a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. Alright, now we have the bases same. They are 3 on both sides, so we need to equate their powers. Alright, so equating it, we get 2 minus x on RHS and 3s as LHS. So 3x plus x is equal to 2. 4x equals to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon 4. Do you get it? When we cancel this to the simplest, we get half. So, the value of x is equal to, okay, x is equal to 1 by 2. Alright. So, I hope you have understood this. There will be many more videos coming up one by one, okay, in the recent times. So do subscribe to my channel, children. It gives a lot of encouragement, and thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, kids.